If your Coursera coupon code is not working, don't worry because there are a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus discount, and in many cases, the savings are applied automatically without needing to enter a code manually. One of the biggest reasons people run into problems is because they are using expired coupon codes from random websites. Many of those codes are outdated and no longer valid. Another thing to know is that Coursera often doesn't require traditional coupon codes at all. Instead, discounts are usually activated through special promotional links. So if your Coursera coupon code is not working, the easiest fix is to use the discount link in the description and let Coursera apply the savings automatically during checkout. You should also make sure that you're eligible for the promotion. Some offers are only available to new Coursera Plus subscribers and cannot be combined with other discounts. Right now, eligible users can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399. That's a savings of $160 while getting access to the exact same features. With Coursera Plus, you'll have unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from companies and universities like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you're learning AI, Python, business, cybersecurity, marketing, or data science, the annual plan can save you money if you plan to take multiple courses. Just remember that promotional pricing is only available for a limited time, so the current deal may not last forever. If your coupon code still isn't working, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the latest Coursera Plus offer and may solve the problem automatically.